Fresh strip of asphalt down here. More asphalt here. Walkway asphalt. And concrete. No asphalt on the road. Big wide asphalt driveway. And the asphalt goes all the way down to the end of the building. And there's a little island there. And the asphalt goes around it. This is the front entrance. And you can see what they've done over here, new building. And the asphalt comes around with a big loading zone there. And my window's just behind here. We'll take a look. You can see where they dug down and got some of the asphalt out that was there, but it looks like a lot of the soil over there is still saturated. I'm afraid to know what happens if they put a garden over it, because that's my window right there. Wind comes down this way, down there, and it comes back up this way. And it runs into the air coming down that way, which knocks it over this way. And the air coming in that way, which knocks it back down that way again. So we get a kind of a washing machine effect coming past this window. And the vents underneath the building, as you can see, are opened. I tried to close them, somebody opened them, just so that we'll get more poison coming in. Anyways, that's that story.